Good afternoon from Kruger National Park in South Africa. We are so excited for the next 2 days. We have a really fun two-part series coming up where we are trying to go inside Kruger National Park and do our own types of safari as cheaply as possible.
So for today, we're actually doing a nighttime safari. It's 520 Rand per person. I think that's probably the best deal that you can get with the guided tour here at Kruger National Park.
So all you have to do is show up at this gate, ask for the activities list, because you want to make sure to set up in advance your activities that you can do in the park.
And tomorrow we're gonna do a safari tour in our little rental car.
I'm so excited.
But we do have about 4 minutes till the tour begins, so let's go.
Let's go, let's go.
To come over here for the car feed.
You said to go around this side. This side?
Yeah, this side. Yeah.
Okay, this side.
Right in front. Okay, so we will be stopping somewhere for Sundowners, and then we'll get out, stretch our legs. You've all got something to drink, and then from there we'll carry on with the drive. Guys, I don't know what They live for about 12 years and they can run almost 60 kilometers an hour. And if it hits that speed and jumps, they can jump up to 3 meters high, 11 meters far. That buffalo had enough oxygen and adrenaline in his brain to run to the hunter, kill the hunter, and then run another 2 kilometers before he dropped down. And then they walk towards you like that. And eventually they lose their nerve and then they run away again and they come back.
Good evening from one of the coolest things we've ever done. We are on a sunset game drive in Kruger National Park and having Sundowner happy hour with this view in the back. Not bad. This is amazing. What an amazing 520 Rand per person. Like this, what has been such a cool experience. There's not too much wildlife, I guess, right now because it is the wet season in Kruger. So typically in the drier seasons in June, July, you can see a little bit more, but we've seen buffalo, we've seen elephants. We have not seen any big game yet, so hopefully, cross fingers, we see some. If not today, tomorrow. So what we're doing right now is we're having happy hour, or what they call Sundowner, which I really love that term, and I think we're gonna start coining that in the Simpson household. But although you can spend thousands of dollars on amazing safaris, this is a national park ranger safari, and this is so worth the money. It is much less expensive. It's so surreal. I feel like I have to pinch myself like we're in a dream or something. I just cannot believe we're here. Like, look at that.
Behind.
I'm on guard right now. I have to find the animals. I'm taking my job very seriously.
Meaning a white paintbrush because of the tip of his tail is white. Nice to see. They're omnivorous as well, so they eat vegetation and meat.
This little guy, right here. And
So guys, you're looking at that dead tree. You see in the dead tree, there's in the fork of it, there's the genet.
Yeah. Ah, that tastes so good after a very hot day. Don't copy me.
Well, we just finished our game drive.
So prior to coming here, I could kind of do some research, but I didn't see really a whole lot on what to do other than day safaris. But the Airbnb host actually helped us out a lot and said just go to the main gate, see what they have available. They have a bunch of different activities, which include mountain biking, hiking in the park, night safaris, day safaris. The guide was great. He had a lot of good information. He literally knew everything about everything. Every animal that we saw, even if we saw it multiple times, he would stop and keep telling you more facts about the animal.
The whole drive, we were trying to just embrace every second and think about the fact of where we are. It was only 3 hours of our life, and every single second we were trying to embrace.
So tomorrow, we are doing a self-guided safari tour, and we're gonna go in our little micro machine of a rental car.
Patricia,
and we're gonna go venture out.
see you on the go. Good late afternoon from Kruger National Park in, I almost said Cape Town.
And tomorrow we're gonna do see that sweat right there?
Park Rangers.
First, I want to start off by saying
Park. And what you learned today when you went there.
So prior to,
Why don't we go in the other room? You're like drenched in sweat, and this is not good for the camera.
that's fine. Hopefully see some animals.
Can you wipe your face? We're on camera.
That's fine, I'm good.
Just wipe your face.
No.
Wait, now you have to fix your hair.
It's good. It's very hot in here. It's apparently one of the hottest days of the year, and this guest house is very warm inside, so. And the power shuts off in the middle of the night, so it's even warmer, so our fan shuts off.